What's going on, folks? What's going on YouTube, Instagram? Hey, we got a set of 20x12 hostiles that we're going to blow out today for a lucky customer. So this is going to be a set of their H114s, black and milled, in 20x12, and it's for a 6-lug Chevy or Toyota. Again, these are hostiles. You guys know how expensive they are online. We got a killer deal on these. We're going to pass the savings along to our customers, so let's check them out. So you got 4 brand new wheels, 4 in the box, never mounted. It's a leftover set that we have. Open lugs for if you want to run spikes. Black and milled finish. Average depth on the lip is going to be just right at 6 inches. So 6 inches of lip. Very nice offset. And these are 6-lug Chevrolet. So 6-lug Chevy, 6-lug Toyota. These are going to bolt right on your truck. You'll be ready to ride fresh. Anyway, if you're interested, comment below. The first one that comments, it says that they want them. Once you pay, we'll go ahead and take them off the market. But $1,200, you get a brand new set of hostiles straight in the box. We can mount up some tires for you if you need to. Or you can just come by and pick up the wheels. If you need a set of tires to go with them, we got some smoking deals on some tires right now as well. So, and for those of you guys that don't remember or don't recall or don't know, I get a lot of questions. Yes, we install lift kits. Yes, we sell lift kits. Yes, we sell wheels. We offer tires. Anything you could think of truck related, we offer, we sell. So if you need a spray and bed liner, we can get it done. You need a drop in bed liner, we can get it done. You want lighting, whatever you need. We deal with some of the best companies out there. I got over 400 wholesale accounts with pretty much everything tire related. So, or excuse me, truck related. So if you need anything from tires to winches to bumpers, you know, any of that stuff, like I said, we deal with some of the best companies in the nation that are out there for sale. So come support us local. Again, this is a set of hostiles. I'm gonna blow these out. $1,200, 4 wheels, brand new in the boxes, ready to roll. If you're interested, give us a call too, 540-898-1300.